How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have my 2019 Toyota RAV4. This is the LE model. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the turn signals, which is really easy, but I guess I bring you along with this. In this case I have these LEDs that I'm going to replace, but these ones probably they're not going to last a long time because they have the resistor included. If you try to put LED bulbs on your turn signal, maybe you're gonna have hyperflash. You don't have a lot of room for resistors on the back. So I'm gonna put these ones, but I have to remove the ones on the front. If you guys remember, I did the installation on the Cinetic USA switch backs on the front. I remove them, I have the original ones. Why? Because if I use this one combined with the Cinetic USA on the front, you're gonna have hyperflash. So I remove the ones on the front. I'm just gonna put these ones for now, and I show you the installation, which is really easy. And it's only two 10mm bolts that you have to remove. To get to it, you have to remove these two little plastic covers. Grab it from top, pull it, and remove it. That's gonna expose the two 10mm. That one on the bottom, that one on top. Remove them, and you just have to pull the light. Once you remove the two 10mm, grab the light, pull it straight, not too much, because if you pull it too much, you're gonna damage the cables. So you just have to pull it and hold it like about right here. Once you feel like it's coming out of the clips, then you can stop. This is why I'm wearing these gloves. These ones, they're really grippy because on this side it's really hard to have some grip. I grab it, pull it, not too much because you might damage the cables. So I recommend you to use some gloves with a lot of grip or something, whatever you feel like you're gonna have some grip on this side, because it's really hard to get some grip on the light. Now, if you notice on this light, you already have LEDs in there for the brake light. So the only thing that we need to change is the turn signal bulb, because everything else is already LED. So that's the one right there. Just twist it and replace the bulb. That's the bulb right there in place. I just gotta put it back on, twist it, lock it in place. And I'm just gonna replace this side for now to show you the difference. If you see that, guys, super bright. It's really bright. Compared to this side, it's just a regular bulb. So you see now on my right hand side how fast the LED looks, crispy and bright, compared to the regular bulb on my left hand side. Now the only thing that I have to do is secure the light. You have to do the same thing as removal, put it in place and just push it in, and then do the same on the other side. So let me secure everything in this one, change the other one, and I'm gonna show you the end result with these LED lights. And the good thing, like I said before, you don't need resistors because the resistors are included on these LEDs, and link is gonna be in the description if you wanna replace yours. Now guys, before I replace the other one, I just wanted to show you some. When you unlock your truck, you see how fast and bright that one is compared to the stock one? Look at that. Those LEDs are super bright. I like them a lot. But this LED, you can use it on your 16, 17, 18, 19, 2020 RAV4. When you see the difference between this one and that one, I had to stay with those. Super bright, I like them a lot. And you guys know how much I love LEDs. So let me swap the other one and when I finish this installation. I don't have somebody to help me record this. That's why I put that towel in there. I don't want to scratch the tail light or my paint. If you notice, right here there is a clip. You have to line up that clip with this one right here. That little pin right here, this little pin right here, you have to line them up with that white one right there. It's gonna go inside. If the one on the bottom you don't put it right, your tail light is gonna be crooked because it has 3 points to line up: the one on front, the one on the middle, and the one on the bottom. If you don't put your tail light straight and then push it in, you're gonna have a little gap underneath. Make sure that you line up everything and then just push it in. Everything is lined up, everything is in place. Okay, I just push it. Make sure that you don't have any gaps around. Bolts are in place. Grab your little cover. There you go, guys. Super bright LEDs for the turn signal on my 2019 Toyota RAV4. We inside the truck now. Truck is on. Turn signal. Turn signal. No hyper flash, because when you put your hazards lights, they're gonna be okay. Once you put your turn signal with LEDs, you're gonna have hyper flash if you don't have resistors in it. There you have it. Works really good. Okay, guys, so that's it for this one. New LEDs for the turn signal, super bright. I like them a lot. They're really good. Link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get yours. If you have any questions, guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.